A Fox Lake couple was arrested and charged Friday with physically abusing the woman's 11-year-old son for years before he was able to make a daring escape for help. The horrific case comes just 1 month after Markel Pierce's mother and boyfriend were charged in the Round Lake Beach 8-year-old's murder. Police said he showed signs of long-term abuse and malnourishment. In both cases, investigators tell us the boys were removed from school by their parents. We've learned after allegations of abuse.
Here's the problem. Kids are disappearing.
Lake County State's Attorney Eric Reinhardt's office is prosecuting both cases.
These people are lying when they say that they are about to go engage in homeschooling.
Reinhardt agrees that homeschooling can be a great alternative to traditional schools, but could be used to hide abuse.
People can essentially take their kid out of school at any time. Well, in both of these cases, there were already reports of abuse when that removal happened. That is incredibly alarming.
They see the kids every day.
Cook County Public Guardian Charles Goldberg said that's concerning to him because a large portion of child abuse hotline calls come from school teachers and staff. The Illinois State Board of Education says that in addition to not being required to report withdrawals to DCFS, school districts are also not required to report every student who leaves school to be homeschooled. A spokesperson told us reporting is only required if the district suspects that the homeschooled student is not receiving a bona fide education.
Schools have no way of knowing if kids are getting a bona fide education at home.
But just last year, a bill enhancing the reporting requirements for homeschool families in Illinois garnered more than 40,000 witness slips in opposition. Many parents argued it infringed on their rights to educate their own kids and unfairly framed homeschool parents as more likely to abuse their children.
It is unfair to paint all homeschooling with a broad brush that it's about child abuse, because it's not. It's a very, very small percentage. But we do have to recognize that these kids do have fewer eyes and ears on them.
Do you think there needs to be some sort of notification process to, let's say, the Illinois State Board of Education when a kid's removed?
Yes, because I think that notification process can be something that honors this sacred right to educational choice. It can be a system that protects children, and we can put that notification time period next to, well, are there claims of abuse?
We did reach out to the superintendents of Round Lake Community Unit, School District 116, and Fox Lake Grade School District 114 for more details on when and why these kids were pulled out of school. Round Lake did not respond to us, and Fox Lake said that for privacy reasons, they couldn't comment. In the newsroom, Megan DeMar, CBS News Chicago investigators.